Most days you'll find me working a corporate job, but outside of that, I create content and spend quite some time gaming. Hey, I'm Bonzax, and this is a typical weekend in my life. So this is my first vlog. मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. मेरे को बस मन कर रहा है रिकॉर्ड करने का. And आज weekend है. मैं काफी लेट उठा हूँ. Already 2 बज चुके हैं. So I thought let's go to the gym. And उसके बाद हम लोग अपना लंच करेंगे. चाहे थोड़ा लेट हो जाए, चलेगा. But अपने पास पूरा दिन रहेगा to relax, watch movies and enjoy. And also probably record more stuff. Let's go to the gym. So I've been on a weight loss journey for some time now, and honestly, it's been kind of refreshing. Today is a push day, so I'm starting with 3 sets of pec deck flies.
Getting thicker, mirror selfie, girl you change your right leg press heavy, like I'm boarding a flight side.
Then we move to shoulder press, and believe me, the resistance on this machine is crazy. I can barely add any weights right now.
Like she tryna do taxes, baby, this
After that, as I was working my front delts, ये पीछे देखो जरा क्या हो रहा है. Next, I want to hit upper chest, but the cables are busy, so we are just raw dogging it with the plates today.
screenshot saving in the vault, strong from the sweat, not from the top, jealous of my grind.
Quick posing break. Okay. Ooh, the shape is slowly coming back, huh? We'll take it. Then we move to tricep push downs and some lat raises to finish things off.
Trainer said stop, I just laughed and pushed.
But wait, we are on a pretty aggressive cut right now. Cardio skip nahi kar sakte. So I'm using the treadmill for about 30 minutes of incline walking, and that pretty much wraps up the session for today. Oh wait, phone to bhul hi gaya. Okay, so workout is done. अब मैं घर जाऊंगा, नहाऊंगा, खाना खाऊंगा and relax करूंगा. So this is my setup. It's pretty decently clean right now. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. This is my second monitor, my primary monitor, my keyboard, my microphone, my mouse, my backup mouse, 2 controllers, some junk here along with Batman and Eric Cartman. This is my main PC, my favorite thing, which I turn on every evening, play games, edit, consume content. Everything I do is in this. This thing is my work laptop. I have a love and hate relationship with it. I love it when the work is really productive. I hate it when the work is too much. I use it Monday to Friday, so I just don't like looking at it on Saturday, Sunday. But everything else, I love on the setup.
Later.
So my food is here. This is 100% whole wheat, thin crust, 5 chicken pieces pizza. This is about 800 to 900 calories. So my first meal, my major meal. After this, I have about 300-400 calories remaining for the day. So उसमें मैं कुछ छोटा सा meal खा लूँगा in dinner, and I'll be done for the day. While enjoying my pizza, I thought कुछ काम कर लेते हैं. थोड़ी देर editing करी, थोड़े clips sort किए. Then my friends called me to stream, so we played some Valorant. Here is a very short stream highlight of that.
One enemy remaining.
You're dead. LT.
Clutch.
Nice one. Oh, chill up.
Correct!
Spike down A.
Shower! One shower!
One enemy remaining. Still in sight.
Yo, the clove was shooting your recon, bro. So I'm out for a walk. I needed to complete my steps for the day. And guess what happened? Someone threw a fucking water balloon at me. क्यों भाई? माँ बाप ने क्या सिखाया? This festival, I have a strong opinion about this festival that people do not take consent. But you know what? What I'm more curious about? भाई ने फेंका कहाँ से? थ्रो काफी अच्छा था. अब मेरा कैमरा चालू नहीं था उस टाइम पर. अगर कैमरा चालू होता तो शायद स्पॉट कर लेता मैं. भाई क्रेजी थ्रो. यू नो व्हाट, ऑल दिस वॉकिंग इज मेकिंग मी थर्स्टी, और अब मुझे पीने का मन कर रहा है डाइट कोक. सो मेरे को बहुत दिन से नाइट ड्राइव करने का मन था. मैं काफ़ी दिन से गाड़ी लेके नहीं निकला था बाहर. सो नाउ आई एम गोना टेक माई कार आउट, गेट सम डाइट कोक एंड एन्जॉय माई ड्राइव. लेट्स गो. So I want to go somewhere far, but not too far, like 15 मिनट दूर to get some Diet Coke. अब सारे दुकान बंद होने लगी होगी अभी तक, या फिर बंद हो चुकी है because 9:15 हो रहे हैं. Imagine मैं इतना लेट निकला हूँ कि Blinkit से ही मंगवाना पड़े मेरे को. I remember when I used to stream like this, people used to like it, but then I stopped because I ran out of ideas. If anything, today has made me realize that if I don't try, I will not be happy. So I want to try, be it in the gym, be it in content, be it handling my social anxiety, which is mostly just with camera. Not like I'm not a socially anxious person in front of people. Even in the gym थोड़ा सा मुश्किल था जो करना क्योंकि लोग आजू बाजू थे देख रहे थे and but then और लोगों ने भी कैमरास निकाले, कुछ लोग तो shirtless ही घूम रहे थे. So if they don't have the anxiety for it, why should I? Also, you start somewhere, right? This may not get any views. I'm happy that I tried it though. Oh, that's one of the biggest grocery store I know. Please tell me it's open. Yes, it's open. Yep. I found some Diet Coke. I got the Diet Coke. And I'm gonna see you at home. With meal number 2. This is 80 grams of chicken breast and 1 leg piece, totaling about 300 calories with a little bit of butter chicken gravy, which is home cooked, so that's fine. I don't mind having it. All in all, this wraps up my day, kind of, food wise at least. And I'm eating way less, even with a cheat meal, no? So just count your calories, guys. You can have almost everything you want. Just be mindful and smart about it. Just calculate, move around the day, and see how whatever you want to have fits into your diet and lifestyle. So you can have anything. मैं अपना दिन 1300 कैलोरीज पे खत्म कर रहा हूँ आज, जो कि काफ़ी अग्रेसिव है, बट एट द सेम टाइम आई नीड टू डू दैट बिकॉज मेरे केस में इट वर्क्स एंड आई एम फीलिंग फाइन, आई एम फीलिंग एक्टिव. अब मैं अपना सेकंड और लास्ट मील अपने दिन का एंजॉय करने वाला हूँ बाय बिंज वॉचिंग वन ऑफ माई रीसेंट फेवरेट्स कॉल्ड द नाइट एजेंट.